Just hold that for me a minute, Michelle. Let me sort myself out. Bonus bum shot. Oh, is it open? I'm not sure. The Norren is not up, so.
Oh, I do like those flags. I'll catch you up.
They are nice, aren't they? Look at those. Look at the way they go across the road. That'd make a nice picture. How beautiful. And it's not too assuming, you know.
No, it's just there.
It's just a handful. Well, there's a fair few people here.
Do you know what it reminds me of?
What?
John O'Groats.
Yeah, it's got a John O'Groats, except for the John O'Groats hasn't got the main road like this, but it's got that sort of nice vibe.
Yeah.
Hello, little doggy. It's so cute. Hello. Is it okay? Hello. Yes. Konnichiwa. Hello. Very beautiful. Thank you. Oh, another. Hello, babies. Girl, boy?
Boy and girl.
You're so cute.
Yeah.
That was cute.
They were so cute.
That.
What are you pointing at?
The fist coming out.
Fist. So there's a tuna and 2 fists. I'm not sure what that symbolises, Michelle.
I know, don't know.
Michelle will get some photos if we drop them in, but what I'm interested in, and this is what we were looking for, this beautiful stone.
Can we get down to the water?
I think so. I hope so. Let's have a dip.
Ooh, possibly.
Oh, yeah. Well, I've got to, Michelle. Oh.
It says watch your step. I think he's had a shower.
Soaked. I am drenched.
You are.
Well, I wanted to dip my foot in.
Your foot in it? I think you've dipped everything in it.
I'm up to my waist. Do you want to have a little dip, Michelle?
Not the way that you've just got soaked, no.
Northernmost Honshu. Even my glasses are covered. Michelle, you going to have a dip?
Well, I want to, but I don't want to get wet.
See if you go, walk down, keep your shoes on till the lower steps.
Hold my phone.
We've got to dip in. We've got to get wet. We won't have made it all the way here. On every coast, we always dip ourselves a little bit in the water. I think this is one of the first times we bothered to film it, but oh, actually, no, we didn't. One time in southern India, just because it was basically a toilet. Go on, Michelle. One step forward.
I'm not getting this wet.
Go on, one step forward. You can only get wet. I'll come and save you. Get your toes wet. Little.
Both feet.
Well done. And I think I've got the kids wanting to do it as well now. These children were watching. Now they've seen me go in. Whee!
He's encouraging the children. What is he like?
He's good. They want to get in. In. Go in here. Come down here. It's good here.
What are you like, encouraging the children to dive in the sea?
I've just given that. It's a bit safer there. It comes a bit shallower.
But look at the state of you.
It's drying.
Good.
It'll be all salty though.
I know.
I'll have to give those a rinse in the next combini.
affecting our shoes.
Oh yeah, barefoot. We're barefoot. I mean, those shoes can go in the ocean, so we didn't need to take them off,
No.
to be honest. And they've been wet.
Frequently on this trip.
Frequently. Now apparently, I think there's a boat, even a car ferry that goes across from here to Hokkaido. We'll look into it, but I think it might be prohibitively expensive at this time of year, and we've got some other thoughts. So if you've enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed playing I Spy, let me know. I'm not sure that's a good idea or not, but if you've enjoyed it, we have.
We have fun doing it, don't we?
You like our kids and family driving with us
Yes, absolutely.
through Japan. We've had a bit of fun. You may have done well, you may have not seen a thing.
We got to the northernmost point of the Honshu Island.
And one of us got very wet.
Not me. Not me. My feet are dry.
Have you got your microphone on?
I have.
Oh, okay, so people can hear you. All right, love to you all. Take care.
And we'll see you in the next one.
See you somewhere else in Japan very shortly.
Bye.
Won't be long. Oh. What do you think? Free camping? Got to be free camping, surely. Let's have a
There's
little.
a car park.
Let's have a look at the signs.
See what the signs say. A lot of the signs do have a little bit of English on them up here, I've noticed.
Yeah.
All the bikers, look.
Yeah, all the bikers, hikers and cyclists. Oh, cool. And some people are with their cars, you know. That's why at one point, Michele and I were actually thinking of getting a tent, but so very few of the places that we've stopped, we would have been able to put up a tent.
You wouldn't have been able to.
No. So, but you know, occasionally like this, it would have been useful. Nice. We'll
Cool.
just check out, because I think we might be stopping up here somewhere, so.
Pretty busy in this car park.
It is busy, but some will be leaving. Some are only here for the day. Yeah, I don't think there's many spots, but there's a spot there, or? Okay, I'm gonna go and wash some of the salt off my arms. We've got to sign off. Lots to do.